The Justice Department is suing New York City and Mayor Eric Adams over the city's migrant sanctuary policies. This is the same DOJ that dropped a corruption case against Adams earlier this year. This is also obviously why you've got this heated mayoral race going on in New York City, where the police officers are backing Eric Adams. You've got Cuomo in that race as well. And it comes days on the Democrat side, and it comes days after an off-duty CBP officer was shot in the face in a New York park by someone who was in the country illegally. Now, the feds say that both of these suspects were, as I said, here illegally. They had prior arrests, had been released back out onto the street repeatedly. Correspondent Nate Foy reports live. This is going to get a lot of attention, this lawsuit. Hi, Nate.
Hey, Martha. Yeah, the complicated relationship between the Trump administration and New York City Mayor Eric Adams gets even more complicated with this latest development. Just in the past few minutes, we're learning that the Justice Department has filed a lawsuit against the city of New York, as well as Mayor Adams and other New York City officials over its sanctuary policies. And we are just beginning to go through this report. It's a 37-page lawsuit, but essentially the argument from the Justice Department is that the sanctuary laws violate the supremacy clause of the Constitution. This is very similar to the arguments that we've seen the Trump administration make against Chicago and also Los Angeles. This was filed in the Eastern District of New York, and the lawsuit references those two illegal migrants that you just mentioned, accused of shooting an off-duty CBP officer in the face who's now in stable condition. Now, those migrants, both from the Dominican Republic, had been arrested several times by the NYPD in the years leading up to the shooting. Both of them were released multiple times despite having active ICE detainers and deportation orders in place. Now, DHS Secretary Kristi Noem blames sanctuary policies for this shooting, and Border Czar Tom Homan had similar criticism today. Listen to this.
Absolutely. Sanctuary cities are sanctuaries for criminals. Hard stop. Bottom line, that's what it is. And the President Trump made a commitment a couple weeks ago that we're going to prioritize sanctuary cities. I made a statement the other day about New York. We're going to flood the zones. The sanctuary cities are going to get exactly what they don't want. More agents in the communities and more worksite enforcement.
And this is a nuanced situation for Eric Adams because he has criticized the sanctuary policies before, but also yesterday he wrote a letter requesting an inspection on the 10th floor of a federal immigration facility here in New York City because it's supposed to be a short-term processing facility. But Mayor Adams wrote that based off video that is circulating online, it appears that perhaps some people are staying there for longer than they are supposed to be. So a very complicated situation. You mentioned that the Trump administration's DOJ moved to drop corruption charges against Adams back in April. In large part, one of the arguments they made was so that he could enforce immigration laws. So it's apparently not enough. We did hear from DHS this week saying that they've issued 6,000 immigration detainers in New York City, and only a handful of those have been honored, which of course is leading to public safety issues and concerns. We'll send it back to you, Martha.
All right. Nate, thank you very much.
Hey, it's Will Kane. Click here to subscribe to the Fox News channel on YouTube. It's the best way to get our latest interviews and highlights. And click to subscribe to the Will Kane podcast for full episodes right now.